As a student in a course-based program, begin the web registration session by selecting the courses you'd like to include in your timetable for the upcoming semester. Here's how to do that. Click on the Registration Program Plan button to start selecting courses. You'll see 3 headings: Summary, Audit, and Still Needed. The Summary tab displays some information about your student record, such as your program, current classification, and academic standing. The Audit tab will display a semester breakdown of the courses in your current program. Courses with a green checkmark are courses that have already been completed. Scroll down to see a full list of courses for each semester, and select the courses you would like to include in your timetable for registration. Click on the Select button to add courses. A green message will appear beside added courses. If you need to remove an added course, click the Remove button beside it. Once you're finished selecting courses, click the Close button. Added courses will now be listed in the Selected Courses panel. If the selected courses contain an elective choice, choose from one of the available electives using the drop-down list in the Elective tile. The Schedule Results panel displays available timetables which include all selected courses. You can navigate the possible schedules using the arrow buttons at the top of the page or the arrow keys on your keyboard. The classes in the Courses panel are displayed in the Schedule Results area as a weekly timetable. If a course has no scheduled times, it will not be displayed on the weekly timetable, but is visible in your semester timeline below the schedule. Courses being delivered face-to-face or synchronously will be displayed on the timetable. Depending on the number of schedule results available to you, you may want to use the following tools to find your preferred schedule. Available schedule results can be sorted using a drop-down menu. Scheduling results are rearranged so that the earliest results correspond most to the selected criteria. Sorting will arrange the displayed search results by the chosen criteria. Classes can also be filtered with a slider to include search results containing classes running with online and on-campus designations. Both are included by default. To see additional details of the course section contained in the displayed schedule, look for the Legend slider bar. This will expand another section to reveal course registration numbers, start and end date, room location, assigned faculty, and more. You can also filter courses by campus. On the top left of the Select Courses panel, click on Campuses. You'll see that all locations are selected by default. Click on Select None to remove all choices, then add your preferred campuses. If you choose a campus where one or more of the selected courses isn't offered, you'll see a red message. This will appear below each affected course, and no results will display in the Schedule Results panel. Pin a class to a timetable to narrow down the number of results. In the Schedule Results panel, do this by either clicking on the class in the timetable or by clicking on the class under Legend. You can also pin classes on the Select Courses panel by clicking on the course section code, which will then be displayed as pinned under the legend. All remaining search results will include the specific course sections, which were pinned. You can also designate personal times. This identifies the times you prefer to avoid scheduled classes. Click and drag on the timetable, indicating the day and time you prefer not to have scheduled classes. Your schedule results now show options that best avoid your personal times. After finding your preferred schedule by pinning classes, filtering results, and selecting different sections, you're ready to submit the schedule. On the bottom of the schedule results, click the Get This Schedule button. After reviewing the list of classes and actions, click the Do Actions button. The results will either show as registered, or you may see a message indicating why registration was unsuccessful. For example, you do not meet the prerequisite requirements for a particular course. On the bottom right, you can click on Return to Select Courses to review selections. The Select Courses panel will show that you are now enrolled in the added sections. To drop a course in which you have already enrolled, click on the trash icon in the course box under Select Courses. This will prompt a red message that tells you to click on the Get This Schedule button. Under the Options column, Web Drop is displayed. Next, click the Do Actions button. Now that you're finished, you can click the Return to Select Courses button and go to the registration page, where you can review your list of registered courses. We hope that you'll enjoy using the new web registration application to find your preferred schedule.